What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get points for your FC mobile game absolutely free, safe and online, without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even your PC or console. Guys, it works for everything. So now we will go to this website. It's called appsneak.com. You will find it easily. Scroll down below until you find FC Mobile. Click there, guys, and we will enter our FC Mobile user ID. So I will just paste mine. Let me paste it. I saved it. And guys, if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. I'll just continue with mine like this. It will start searching for our user account and you should get this user found. So there we go. Now guys, we will select our FC points amount. I will select currently the maximum. It's almost 1 million. Click continue. After you select this, and third step will load up, so API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see what we'll get after this. And there we go. API connected. Our user account is connected. And now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get, guys. So there we go. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Your FC points are on the way. Look at this, guys. Our user ID connected and our selected points sent. Now guys, we're going to close this and to open our FC mobile game. So before you get this verification successful page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete simple 2 tasks from the list. Just complete it, guys, because it's all free and safe. And after you complete this, you will get redirected to this page like mine now. Verification successful with your user ID and your points selected there. And just close this after you get it. Just open your FC mobile and let's see what we'll get after we open. Let's hope that it actually works. So okay, still nothing. Let me wait this. And okay, it's loading up. It seemed laggy a bit. No, let's see. Oh my god, guys, we are actually getting our FC mobile points. I cannot believe that it actually, after testing a lot of websites, we actually got this. Oh my god, I cannot believe that it actually worked. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to waste all these points and buy literally the best things. I'm so excited because it actually worked. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, to comment down below if you found it helpful, and to subscribe to my channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye.